A very useful feature when we're sharing the Microsoft Whiteboard is to use the Follow Me option. Now, what Follow Me does is it takes all of the participants that are tuned into your whiteboard, and anywhere you go on the whiteboard, they will follow along. So if I scroll and zoom on a section of this whiteboard, every participant will be following along, and what they see on their screen will be the same as what I'm seeing on my screen. I especially like using this when I'm in a classroom environment, in a training environment, and I've shared the whiteboard to the class so that everybody can have what's at the front of the room on their computer, on their device. But I have a very large whiteboard and I'm going to be moving from area to area. Well, that could be something where I want to make sure that my audience is following along, that as I move through the different topics, that they are listening, they're seeing exactly what I'm seeing. I could zoom in on a specific note, for example, talk about that note, put the information in there, watch this, and they're going to see exactly what I see. And this allows them or prevents them from moving around the whiteboard and not seeing what I'm seeing, not seeing what I'm talking about. If I'm done with that and I want them to explore the whiteboard, I can just turn off the Follow Me feature, and then even though I might be zoomed in, my audience now has the freedom to move around the whiteboard on their own. They can adjust things and look at different parts of the whiteboard. But as soon as I put the Follow Me back on, it'll automatically snap them back to where I am on the whiteboard and keep us all in sync. The Follow Me feature is a useful tool. You can turn that on and off as needed.